The time and material contracts are used to bill customers for a standard labor rate per hour used plus the actual cost of material used. Now, the standard labor rate per hour being billed does not necessarily relate to the underlying cost of the labor. Instead, it may be based on the market rate for the services of someone having a certain skill set or the cost of labor plus a designated profit percentage. Now, time and material contracts are generally used when the buyer and the seller are not very much clear about the scope of the work and the time in which the scope of work would be completed. Now, an example of time and material contract is hiring a project manager at $100 per hour or renting out car at $60 per day. The rate includes direct and indirect cost both. Apart from this, the overhead and the profits. Now, a time and material contract is a hybrid contract that includes features of both fixed price and cost reimbursable contract. They resemble cost reimbursable contracts in that they can be left open-ended and may subject the buyer to cost increase. These contracts can be used for staff augmentation and acquisition of outside support when a precise statement of work is not available. Now, just like cost reimbursable contract, in time and material contract also the risk is highest for the buyer and least for the seller. In time and material contract, some of the risk of the buyer can be mitigated by adding not to exceed clause. The time and material not to exceed is a contract in which the seller can bill the work being performed, but there is a cap that could be used as the maximum amount being charged by the seller. This type of variation can be used to increase the seller's efficiency and it assumes the excessive cost. It also provides the buyer with a cap that will guarantee that seller will not exceed that cap.